Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you how you can fix a reel button not showing. As you can see in my Instagram, there is plus button instead of reel button showing in my Instagram app. Now if you want to get that reel button in most of the Instagram user has gotten but you didn't get, then by the following methods you can get. First of all, you have to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you have to update your Instagram. As I have already updated my Instagram and still didn't get my reel button, then there is also another method to get the reel button, which is as follow. For example, you have to click on your profile option. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings. As you can see in the video, after three buttons, if you click on settings, then you will find help. You have to click on help. After that, you have to click on report a problem. After clicking on report a problem, you will get an interference which can show you a screen in which you can explain your problem to Instagram team so that they can solve it for you. For example, if you don't have the reel button on your Instagram app, then you can submit this problem or report this problem to Instagram team. Then you will get this Instagram reel button or option in near soon. After writing the problem, you can click on settings, and after a few days you will get your reel button. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest video.